how to remove facial verification in Binance. So if you want to remove the facial verification in your Binance, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Binance application. After opening your Binance, you need to go and log into your account at first. I'll just simply continue with my Google. It will ask you to verify your account, so just simply go with the cross which will be on the top, and I'll just simply go and verify later, but you can go and verify. And once you're here on your Binance, you need to just simply go with your 3 horizontal lines which will be on the top left, and you'll have this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply tap on your username. Now under username, or once you tap on your username, you will have your account info section. So you need to tap on security, and under security, if you scroll down, then here you will have an option of verification, like your facial verification or your biometrics under your passkeys option. So tap on passkeys and then you will have your biometrics. So if you have verified your account, then just simply tap on it and then you'll be able to reset your verification or reset your passkey. That's how you can remove your facial verification in your Binance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.